In this video, we're gonna weigh in on hotels and Airbnb. What's up, travelheads? We're all accustomed to hotels throughout our travels, but a few years ago, Airbnb came into our life. And now we're gonna talk about the difference between Airbnb and hotel. Airbnb gives you housing, apartments, and unique stays. You can filter and choose the amount of bedrooms you are looking for in a stay. Hotels are only a room with 2 beds, meaning if you had a family of 5 or more, then you would probably have to book 2 hotels. Hotels have sales. If you're lucky, you might even be paying 1/3 the price you would average and normally pay for. And also, hotels are offered through travel points or reward programs where you can pay less or even have free nights of hotel. Airbnb does not have offers because the price is set at whatever the homeowner listed. Airbnb, you're allowed to contact the host and negotiate on price. So if you're like staying there for a whole month or 2, you don't want to pay per day. You let the host know that you want to stay at this place for a whole month and negotiate on price. Because not every Airbnb, the whole place is booked for the whole month. So you could either work something out with that host, or it's like say this whole month that you're looking at doesn't even have any booking. You could really narrow down the price with that. And say if you booked a place that only allows you to have 4 guests, you can always contact the host and negotiate and be like, hey, I have an extra person that might be coming. Can I just pay a small fee? Or if you're lucky, they might say just bring them in for free. Hotels are not negotiable and are really strict on bringing extra guests in. Hotel works well if you're just here for a business trip and you're too tired to go out to eat, where there's room service and you can order food and a hotel employee will bring it up for you to eat. Of course, it's gonna charge you. Airbnb is on the go, it's self-serve. The homeowner isn't at the house most of the time. Airbnb might be self-serve, but depending on which place you pick, you may have a living room and a kitchen so you can cook your own food and save money if you're not interested in going out in that city to eat, and if you're tired and you just want to buy food and then cook. Hotel is just a bed and a desk. Hotels have a fitness center and a pool which let you do your thing. Airbnbs is someone's place, so unless you looked up a place that has a gym or a pool included, then you're in luck. Airbnb fees are shown right after you pick your accommodation and your date. All fees are paid immediately with no extra paperwork when arriving. Hotels have a tendency of charging you an extra fee right before you're about to confirm your booking, after you had just planned out and told all your friends, hey man, we got this hotel down for $100, and when you're about to confirm that purchase, it's $150 with all these other exclusion fees. And arriving to the hotel, you have to sign paperwork before they will give you the key. Hotel checkout perks. You don't really have to clean up after your mess. And no, I don't mean you should leave a mess in the first place, but what I really mean is you don't have to take your garbage and throw it out, or you don't have to fold your bed sheet. Some Airbnb have tight house rules. Like my last Airbnb I booked, they needed me to make sure all of my garbage wasn't in the house anymore. That I had to pick it and throw it outside in the garbage can, not inside. And we had to fold our sheets, which I found really weird because they were used by me already. Shouldn't you guys have to wash it now? Airbnb provides many options outside and inside the city. Hotels are likely in the main city only. Hotel almost always have 24-hour front desk service, so in case anything goes wrong, you can always call them for help. Airbnb can lack service because they're just average owners who are letting you book their house. They sleep probably the same time as we do, or even earlier, because they may have work the next day. Airbnb tend to be cheaper and better located. If you're traveling alone, a shared house with just a bedroom for yourself is perfect for you. The price is really cheap too. Hotel prices are just expensive in general, especially if you're near a tourist attraction. It's not like you're gonna get a cheaper rate just because you're by yourself or with 2 people. I know that a lot of hotels, if you have 3 or more people, extra will be charged like $20 to $40. Which one do I prefer? When I'm setting up my travel, I don't look at just one type of source for my accommodation. I look at hotels and Airbnb and check out the pricing and location. There are many factors that come to play when I'm booking accommodation. Like if I'm there to shoot, then I want a place with a rooftop, which most likely I need to look for Airbnb. Or if I'm solo traveling, most likely I won't book a hotel because of the price compared to a private bedroom in a shared house. So both hotels and Airbnb have their ups and downs. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, travelheads.